Sam Ireland and the Edmonton Real Estate Guys team with RE/MAX River City here, coming to you from the neighborhood of Sherwood with great access to the upcoming West End LRT, bringing you straight to Misericordia Hospital and West Edmonton Mall, and access to U of A in downtown. Check it out. Lisbeth, introduce the house.
Welcome to this beautiful 1950s bungalow. We have over 800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. This beautiful, massive garden you can turn into your own veritable oasis. So over here we have a double oversized garage. You can start your own Lego collection, Hot Wheel collection, or of course, start your own car collection, because that's what garages are for.